Hey guys, this is Mink Plays, and today I'm gonna do another unboxing. Funny story about this unboxing. So here I have my old iPad 2, and over here I have a new one. But this one right here is the iPad 2 original. This is the iPad Air. Hope you guys can see it. Focus. iPad Air 2, or just the iPad Air. It is 32 gigs. And this is space black, or space gray. And yeah, so let's get into this unboxing. So, I've been waiting to get a new iPad, but very carefully. So I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. But I'm very happy about this, because when I broke this, my phone, so let's say my old case, this case right here is my old phone, and it fell like that, and it just broke. So here we go. Come on. I'm gonna set you guys down for another second. Okay, here we go. Here's the top over there. Here's the device, and then here's the manual, power cable, here's the box, and that's all we got. So this right here, iPad Air 2. Let's get this open. Okay, let's power it up, and so you guys probably know the manual and everything, that it comes with stickers, but this one, yeah, it does come with 2 stickers. This one isn't, here, I have a comparison. This one isn't as detailed as the iPhone 4S one, like, at all. Like, this is, just these 3 papers right there is for this iPad. But for my phone, is all these giant, thick, pieces of paper. But really small. But I hope you guys like this unboxing. See you guys in the next video. Bye.